Worried about how to ask for time off for the Jewish holidays? You're not alone. Asking for time off for the Chagim, the Jewish holidays, is stressful, especially if your boss or professor isn't familiar with them. Here's a respectful, simple way to do it. Here's a sample script you can use. Hi, manager or professor. I observe the Jewish holidays and need to be absent on the following dates. Then list the date and list the name of the holiday and include a short description like Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year, or Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement. I'll prepare in advance so my responsibilities are covered, and I'll make up any missed work or whatever it is that you can show them you're not going to leave them hanging. Please let me know if there's anything you need me to arrange in advance or any paperwork you need to fill out. Thank you for your understanding. Sincerely, your name. Hi, I'm Kochava. I'm a Jewish convert, and I've been helping people convert to Judaism since 2010. Laws differ a lot depending on where you live. So for reference, I'm in the United States. And while I am a lawyer, I am not an employment lawyer. I do not know anything about employment law. So don't take this as legal advice. Check your religious accommodations laws in the state or country where you live. You don't have to justify your Judaism or apologize for observing. You don't have to share your conversion story or how observant you are. How religious of a Jew you are is irrelevant. What if you're converting and you're not actually Jewish yet? You still get it. You still have the same rights to celebrate the religious holidays that you observe. And yes, whether you're converting or not, some places may require you to get a letter or some other note from your rabbi. It's not fun. It's annoying. But people have to fill out their paperwork. Just state it simply. These are religious holidays, and you need that time off. You're not asking for a favor. This is a standard religious accommodation. Be polite, be clear, and give as much notice as you can. And remember, in most places, asking for religious time off is your right. You're not being difficult. You're just living your Jewish life. Some workplaces or schools may not understand right away. That doesn't mean you did anything wrong. Make sure to follow up if you need to. And most importantly, as I have said over so many videos, get it in writing. Give your notice in writing. And if they follow up with you verbally, send another email afterward that describes what you talked about and what you agreed to. You can phrase it as, just want to make sure we're on the same page. So take a breath. You deserve to celebrate the holidays fully. They're yours. Want more tools for building your Jewish life? Check out my free resource library at buildingajewishlife.com. You might be especially interested in the guide to addressing microaggressions and anti-Semitism. In case your employer or coworker or professor says stupid or mean things about your request, and if you're ready for a deeper community and step-by-step guidance, that's what Buy It Builders is for. It's my membership that helps you build a real, grounded Jewish life with gentle accountability and support at every stage. You can find out more about the resource library or Buy It Builders at buildingajewishlife.com or at my link below. Chag Sameach!